Hello and welcome to this brief overview of the Tiqo platform. This platform helps educators create course material a lot faster so that they can focus on more important tasks. So this is the Tiqo platform. In order to access this homepage, all a user needs to do is navigate to the sign up page. So that would be tico.design/sign up. Once you are here, you can either sign in if you have an existing email and password, whereby you enter your username, where your username is your email, and enter the password to that email, or alternatively, you can create an account where again your username is your email. After you're done, click Create Account, and that will bring you now to this homepage. Once you're here, you can be able to view all the different lessons you've created in the past, as well as have the ability to create lessons, as well as edit them and view the different statistics from those lessons. But before that, you need to be able to enter your instructor code, which is the code that is provided to you once you sign up to Tiqo as an educator. For students, you do not need to input this code as your functionality is limited to viewing the lessons and proceeding with them and accessing the AI chatbot features that are associated with each lesson. After that, you, as an educator, once it's indicated on the top left that you are an educator, you can simply proceed to creating the lesson. And how you do that is by clicking this green button up here, where you'll be directed to this page where it's the Tiqo.design/create page, and you'll be able to enter the title, audience, and objectives that you want the lesson to be able to meet. Alternatively, if you have your own material, you can simply ingest that into the system by clicking choose file. Here you'll be able to upload your presentation such as PowerPoints, as well as upload your various PDF documents. Thereafter, you can choose your language or accent in the case of English, as well as choose a particular voice and an avatar from a wide array of avatars down here. And then simply click add create lesson once you're done. After that, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes, but at the end of those 3 to 4 minutes, you'd have something of the sort. So this is a lesson about marathon running tips. Again, the system is so diverse in terms of its content. Think of it as ChatGPT in terms of its ability to create content, educational material on any subject that exists out there. And so the presentations are usually about 2 to 3 minutes long. They're very engaging, very grounded in reality. And once you're done, you can be able to test your understanding. After that, you can be able to test your understanding of the lessons that you've just learned through this discussion prompt, where you can chat with our AI chatbot that guides you through any content that you want to learn. So now back on the homepage, we understand that for educators, we understand that AIs can sometimes hallucinate. And how we get around that is by giving you the ability to edit the contents that were created by that course. So in this particular case, I just click edit lesson. And then now that I'm here, I can be able to change any aspect of the core or of the lesson rather, and be able to say, change any description, change the answers to the multiple choice question, as well as be able to add any new multiple choice questions here by inserting a title question as well as the few answers. And remember, the correct answer should exactly match the correct answer out of your four answers that you provide. So just copy and paste. If it's answer two over here, you should copy and paste answer two into the correct answer tab. As you can see in this particular race, the correct answer is exactly the same as the answer that was provided in the multiple choice question. If you do not like the video that our system produces, you can also be able to upload your own videos. You can simply toggle this to use an alternative video, and then you can upload your own video in the form of a YouTube URL, and then it will simply change the video that is used in the course. So you can just simply click Save Changes. And in a moment, we should see the sections are updated, and then we can go to the course, and now we can see our new video has been added to the platform. Once that is over, educators can also be able to view the various statistics from each of their lessons. This is just one mock example of a student, one student enrolled into this course. But if you extrapolate this to multiple students, then this functionality is extremely useful to most educators using the Tiqo platform. To the left, the quiz, doc chat, and podcast functionality are still under development, but we shall alert you as soon as they are available to use. Again, I did not mention this, but if you would like, as a student, to import a course from an educator, all you need to do is ask them for the course code, and the educator can get the course code by clicking on this button up here, copying that code, and just like you would with a Google Classroom, disseminate that to whatever channel that you're using, be it Slack, WhatsApp, and then on the student side, they can simply paste this code and click submit, and then the course would show up on their end as well. Again, if you do not like a course that was generated, you can simply always delete it and then start from a brand new course. But that is the functionality of Tico. If you have any additional questions, you can feel free to reach out to me through info@tico.design or through my personal email, brianbusiness314 at gmail.com. Whichever, feel free to reach me through those channels. Thank you.